Hi everybody. Hi everybody. Abrar is back on this call also. Arbaz, Siddhant, Sejal, Sakshi, Ishwar. So happy to see you. So happy to see you. I'm seeing a lot of names that were on the last call, mentors. Just drawing your attention to it. Just drawing your attention to it. Hi Ishwar. If you can hear me, can you do this? Or can you write in the chat box if you can hear me? Arbaz, can you hear me? Oh, good job. Hi, Chanchal. I'm so happy to see you. I saw this amazing video you made for our program, Chanchal. I really, really loved it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Are we good to go? Is everybody here? Hi, Poonam. Thank you for saying hello in the chat box. Hi, Poonam. Okay, very good. So good to see so many of you. So good to see so many of you. All right. So if your microphone is not on mute, please can you put it on mute? Please can you put it on mute? If you look down, you'll see something that looks like a mic. Just click on it and you'll see it go with a line across it. Can you put it on mute, please? Well done. Well done. Well done. Ananya, Sanjana, y'all want to put yours on mute, please? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Number 2, if you have enough data and if you can turn your video on, please turn your video on. If you have enough data and you can turn your video on, please turn your video on. And you see that amazing. So you can say, yes, Dee, I have a question. Or you can write your comment in that chat box. Okay? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, good job. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Did Didi and Bhaiya teach you how much of communication was body language? Did Didi or Bhaiya ever teach you how much of communication was body language? Devika Didi is saying yes, but no one else is saying yes. If they taught you how much of communication is body language, do you remember? So 55%. 55%. How much percent? 55%. 55% of our communication is body language. What is body language? Do you know what is body language? Sahil, do you have an idea what is body language?
Our posture and how we sit.
Very good. That's an example of body language. Abrar, well done. How we sit and our posture, that is an example. Do you know another example of body language? Does anybody else know another example of body language?
Hand movement and eye contact.
Hand movement, eye contact, all amazing answers. All amazing answers, right? Arbaz, good, good, good. Behavior that you use your facial expressions. What is the number one body language expression you can use? Hint दूं आपको? Hint दूं? Face पे है, face पे है.
Eye contact.
Eye contact is number one. But I think Poonam has the answer. Poonam is correct. It's the smile. So where is your smile? Let me see it. It's the smile. There you go, Rasika. What a beautiful smile. You use it. I love it. All right. बात करोगे मुझसे? मैं question पूछूं, please? Will you speak with me? Thank you, Rasika. Thank you, Arbaz. Thank you, Abrar. So my first question is, how was last week? How was last week? आपका हफ्ता
Amazingly
आपकी
awesome.
दीदी या भैया के साथ कैसे गया? अच्छा था, बुरा
Amazingly
था,
awesome.
था।
1 सेकंड रसिका बोलो बेटा।
अच्छा था।
अच्छा मतलब कैसे अच्छा था? क्या किया, क्या सीखा?
ना
आपकी
अरे मिला।
दीदी आप मुझे रसिका 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 here this दीदी over here। रसिका, आपकी दीदी कौन थी या भैया कौन था?
देविका दीदी, काजल दीदी।
देविका दीदी और काजल दीदी। ओके। और सबसे मस्त वाला गेम कौन सा खेला आपके साथ? मैथ वाला गेम। अच्छा लगा आपको?
हाँ।
Very good, Rasika. Very good. Abrar, what were you saying? How was last week for you? Unmute your phone, beta. Unmute your phone.
Very amazing, and I learned many things.
Like what?
बहुत
What
कुछ
did you
सीखने को
learn?
मिला. How to think out of the box.
How to think out of the box. Very good. Very good. And why is that important to learn how to think outside the box? Why is that
Because
important?
the world is outside the box.
The world of success is outside the box. The world that we currently live in is still inside the box. If we want to change anything we are doing, we have to go outside the box. Very well said, Abrar. Very, very well said. Good job. Sashank. Sashank. Did I say that name correctly? Sashank, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Sashank, tell me about your week. Tell me about your week.
It was great time with Didi, and we do a lot of fun and lot of them.
Number one thing you learned. One big thing you learned in the week. One big thing.
Talk in front of friends means I was so quiet that time, so I
Yes.
get a confidence about talking.
Yes. Yes. It's so important to make friends, and it's so important to learn how to talk, right? It's so important to learn how to talk. Pooja, can you hear me? Pooja, can you hear me? Unmute your phone, beta. Unmute your phone.
Yes,
Pooja, what was one big thing you learned this week?
confidence.
Confidence. Now you tell me, Shashank said it's important to talk and make friends. You said you built confidence. आपको कॉलेज में ये कैसे मदद करेगा? How will this help you in college?
Like we are going for the first time in the college, then we will be alone. We don't know anyone. So if we have a confidence and we have in communication skills, then it will be easier for us to make friends and
Very, very good. Huh? And
college help and make our time spent very well.
very well said, Pooja. Thank you so much. Very well said. Nikhil, can you hear me? Nikhil, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Great job. Nikhil, what was one big thing you learned last week?
The big thing I learned that we should think and talk logically.
You should think and talk logically. And how will this help you in college, Nikhil? How will this help you in college?
So if we are in college and if teacher asks us some question, so we should think logically and we should have a answer which is more best, which is more good than other students.
Very good. Very, very good, Nikhil. Thinking logically and thinking critically will help you on your exams, will help you on your projects, will help you ask your teachers more intelligent questions. So it's very good thinking, Nikhil. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for that. आपका favorite
Thank you.
activity क्या था? What was your favorite activity? आपका favorite activity? Favorite game?
My favorite activity was to fill in the sentences.
To fill in the sorry, I didn't hear you.
Sentences.
Oh, to complete the sentences. To complete the sentences. That
Yes.
was your favorite activity. और कोई बोलो, what was your favorite activity? Abrar is saying riddles were his favorite activity. Jahanvi, what was your favorite activity? What was your favorite activity? कौन सा game सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा आपको? Vaishnavi is also here, right? I see Vrushali and Vaishnavi.
Yes.
Vaishnavi or Vaishali? Vaishnavi or Vaishali?
Vaishnavi. Hi, ma'am. Vaishnavi.
Hi, Vaishnavi. I see you sitting with your big sister. Your big sister is a Pehchan Didi, and you are a Pehchan participant this year. We are so happy to see both of you on the call. वैष्णवी, सबसे अच्छा एक्टिविटी कौन सा लगा आपको?
मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा मैथ्स वाला और एलियन वाला लगा।
मैथ्स वाला और एलियन वाला अच्छा क्यों लगा आपको?
क्योंकि वो एकदम ऐसा अमेजिंग, मतलब वो इमेज ऐसी अमेजिंग थी ना, इसलिए।
अच्छा, इमेजिनेशन का था इसलिए, right? When we imagine things, right center of our brain becomes all excited, so we also become excited. So I'm very happy that I'm very happy that you enjoyed that. Thank you, Vaishnavi.
Welcome,
and this
ma'am.
is a beautiful photo to see both of you together on my screen. It's just a beautiful photo to see that. Somebody please take it. Okay. Eksha Didi, can you hear us, Eksha Didi? Eksha Didi, can you hear us, Eksha Didi? She can hear us. She's looking straight at us. All right. Sapna Didi, tell me, what is the number one thing you saw in your mentors across the week, in your mentees across the week?
So the confidence that my
Can you hold your
mentee
mic closer? We can't hear you. Can you hold your mic closer?
Yes, ma'am. The first thing is when Gemrul spoke in English, and the second thing is when Nikhil supported Gemrul to speak in English.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Shravani, sunai de raha hai beta? Yay.
Yes.
Shravani, do you want to go to college?
Yes.
Do you want to do commerce, arts or science?
Science.
You want to do science? ये जो आपकी दीदी या भैया कौन थे?
Rakshata Didi and Nessie Didi.
Nessie Didi and who else?
Rakshata Didi.
Rakshita Didi?
Yes.
Yes, okay. आपने ये पूरे हफ्ते में आपने सीखा कॉलेज जाना इम्पोर्टेंट है? आपने सीखा कॉलेज जाना इम्पोर्टेंट, क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Primary school is the best for a future, and for a future planning. Like school is best, same like college is also important to attend to achieve our ambition. That's why college is also important to attend.
Right. But going to college allows you to get a better job, allows you to earn more money because you get a better job, and it allows all of you the opportunity to come out of the cycle of poverty. Okay? We want to prepare you for this amazing future that you have in your mind. The things that you dream of doing is what we want to prepare you for. We also want to tell you 2 or 3 things. Do you have a paper and pen with you? Do you have a paper and pen with you? If you don't have a paper and pen, don't worry. Didi and Bhaiya will send you the information. If you have a paper and pen, please can you write down this phone number? If you have a paper and pen, please can you write down this phone number? And Nandini, like last time, maybe Nandini Didi can put it in the chat also. The phone number is 989 22 739 73. So I'll say the number again, 98922 Nandini Didi has also put it in the chat. So in case you couldn't hear me when I said it, it's also in the chat. Okay. Now, here's what I want you to do with that number. If you want to continue with, this lockdown, I think is going to continue for some time, or college is not going to start immediately. College तुरंत शुरू नहीं होने वाला है. तो अगर आपको और ट्रेनिंग करनी है हमारे साथ, और एक्टिविटीज करने हैं हमारे साथ जुड़े रहना है, तो आपको पहले एक मैसेज आपकी दीदी या भैया को भेजना है. ओके, ताकि हम आपको रजिस्टर कर सके हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे. अगर वहां से जवाब न आए तो आप ये नंबर पे मैसेज करना और हम आपको वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, सबको समझ में आया? क्लियर है ये बात? हाँ, तो वो थम्स अप वाला दीजिए मुझे ताकि समझ में आए. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू फॉर दैट. सेकेंड चीज, जैसे आपका एसएससी स्कोर आए, जैसे आपके एसएससी मार्क्स आए, आपको वो नंबर पे मैसेज करना है, आपका नाम और आपका एसएससी स्कोर. आपको क्यों ये करना है? ताकि दीदी और भैया आपको कॉलेज के अंदर एडमिशन लेने के लिए हेल्प कर सके. कौन से कॉलेज में जाना है, कैसे करना है एडमिशन प्रोसेस, ये सब के लिए आपका एसएससी स्कोर हमें जरूरी है. वी नीड टू नो योर एसएससी स्कोर. तीसरी चीज, जैसे आपका एडमिशन कोई भी कॉलेज में होता है, आपको वो आपका नाम और कॉलेज का नाम हमें वो नंबर पे भेजना है. आपको क्यों ये भेजना है दीदी बताती है आपको, सुनो ठीक से. ठीक है, आपको बताना है हमें कॉलेज कौन सा आपको कौन से कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिला. मींस यू हैव टू टेल अस इन विच कॉलेज यू गॉट एडमिशन. बिकॉज हमारे दीदी भैया ना कोई दीदी या कोई ना कोई भैया हर एक कॉलेज में है. तो अगर आप हमें मैसेज करेंगे तो इंस्टेंटली यू विल हैव अ फ्रेंड इन द कॉलेज. इंस्टेंटली मतलब तुरंत आपके पास कोई दोस्त होगा, आप अकेले नहीं होंगे कॉलेज में. हमारे पहचान के बच्चे भी काफी कॉलेजेस में हैं, तो आपको अकेला नहीं लगेगा पहले दिन कॉलेज में. ठीक है, तो कॉलेज आपका नाम और कॉलेज का नाम भी हमें भेजिए. हम ना पहचान में एक परिवार बन जाते हैं. आप चाहोगे हमारे परिवार का हिस्सा बनने? Would you like to be part of our family? Would you like to be part of our family?
Yes.
I'm going, yeah. Yes, Mridula is nodding her head. I see lots of thumbs ups. So yes, thank you Prajwal for writing yes. Let's see who else wrote yes. Samiksha wrote yes. Janvi wrote yes. Thank you so much everybody. तो आपको 3 चीज करनी है. दीदी वापस 3 चीज बोल रही है. ठीक है, नंबर 1, अब के लिए अगर आपको आपका ट्रेनिंग कंटिन्यू करना है तो आपको मैसेज भेजना है. दूसरी चीज, एसएससी मार्क मिलते ही आपको आपका नाम और एसएससी स्कोर हमें भेजना है. तीसरी चीज, जैसे आपका कॉलेज एडमिशन पक्का होता है, आपका नाम और आपका कॉलेज का नाम हमें भेजना है. ये 3 चीज वो नंबर पे भेजना है. पहली वाली चीज अब अपनी दीदी या भैया को भेजेंगे. अगर उन लोग से जवाब नहीं आता फिर वो नंबर पे मैसेज करेंगे. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? क्लियर ऑन दिस, ऑन दीज 3 थिंग्स? गुड जॉब, थैंक यू रसिका. आप लोग ऐसे करते ना. थैंक यू अबरार, थैंक यू साहिल. वैसे करते हो तो दीदी को समझ में आता है कि आपको समझ में आया. थैंक यू प्रज्वल चैट पे लिखने के लिए. थैंक यू चंचल, थैंक यू वृशाली फॉर राइटिंग ऑन द चैट. थैंक यू नंदिनी. ओके, तो ये 3 थिंग्स आर डन. और किसी को कुछ बोलना है हमें कि हफ्ता कैसे गया, या आपको क्या करना है, या आपके सपने क्या है, हमारे साथ बात करने की इच्छा है किसी के साथ? किसी को? Anyone would like to speak with us? We should. Beta, I'm going screen by screen to see if anyone would like to speak to us. This Vrushali Vaishnavi image is so amazing. Okay, I'm looking for thumbs up. So sorry, I'm taking so long going screen to screen. Ronak Bhaiya, you knew I was going to call on you because I haven't received your. Ronak Bhaiya, can you please tell us आपका experience आपके mentees के साथ कैसे था? How was it?
It was very nice. In this whole process, like when we conducted activities, when we were doing activities, my mentees, my kids, and we both were learning. We both were building confidence, and we were bonding with each other. That was the most important thing. And we were able to make them realize how important it is to go to college and to develop a career, and their energy kept us motivated to do more and more hard work for them. So we both
Thank you,
enjoyed.
Ronak Bhaiya.
We all learned a lot.
Superb. Thank you, Ronak Bhaiya. Thank you, Ronak Bhaiya. Okay, everybody, हम आपके साथ ना WhatsApp पे जुड़ने वाले हैं. तो अगर आपके मम्मी पापा के पास फोन है, दीदी के पास फोन है या भैया के पास फोन है, then you have to yes Mrudula, I'm coming to you. Okay, thank you Mrudula, I'm going to come to you. So agar if you don't have the phone with you, you have to tell mummy, daddy, दीदी, भैया कि आप लोग ये क्लास कर रहे हैं, व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेजेस आएंगे और उन लोग को आपको ये मैसेजेस दिखाना है. ओके, ऐसे ना हो कि वो लोग नंबर डिलीट करे या ब्लॉक करे या हमें बात ना करने दे आपसे. तो it is your responsibility to tell your mummy, daddy, didi, bhaiya that you are going to be part of Pehchan. Okay? All right. Mrudula, please unmute your phone. Talk to us. Thank you, Abrar. Mrudula, bolo beta, kya bolna hai?
I would like to tell about Pehchan that after before joining the Pehchan, I was nervous that how it will go. And after Saurabh Bhaiya called me at the first day, I was that who is speaking? Like when did I join this? And I was not having an idea also. Then he explained me so well that do you remember anything and all. Then he'll make me remember everything again. And he is a good mentor. He explains me. He's so polite also.
Wow, Mrudula.
And I really like the activities of Pehchan.
Good. Mrudula, I'm so happy that you spoke because, you know, one of my concerns is that children, when you go to college for the first time after you've studied in a municipal school or after you come from a different background, that it's harder to make friends, it's harder to ask teachers questions. We get scared more easily when we come from a different background. So I'm so happy Saurabh Bhaiya was so kind to you and that Saurabh Bhaiya explained everything so nicely to you. Now I want you to please learn that, and also in college I want you to talk to people. Even in college I want you to make friends and I want you to use this confidence, and if you are confused I want you to ask your teachers questions. Okay, Mrudula?
Yes.
Yes, good job. Thank you for sharing with us. किसी और को कुछ बोलना है? Anybody else wants to say anything? I'm reading the chat to see if anyone has anything to say. Nikhil says, it was fabulous. We got to interact with our mentor, Didi and Bhaiya, and we learned to talk logically. Yes. Shreya's Didi loves it when you all talk logically. She loves it when all children talk logically. Logic is very good. Logic is very good. All right, let's see. Janvi, आपको कुछ बोलना है? You want to say something? Janvi, you want to say something, beta?
Yes.
Please talk to us. Please tell us.
So Ritu Didi and Sejal Didi was my mentor. So they in first lecture I was not confident. I was the girl who is not confident about her answer. So after conducting this activity, I am feeling very confidence right now, and it also create many opportunity for us. We learn many things. I also developed observation skill, communication skill. Now I am from 2 3 day I am become very talkative. My mom is telling what happened to you.
That's very good. Do you know your Sejal Didi has also become thoda or talkative? Sejal Didi also used to not talk so much. Now she is also talking. So I think Sejal Didi helped you, but you also helped Sejal Didi. I think this is amazing. Thank you,
Yes.
Janvi, for sharing. Thank you, Janvi. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you, Sejal. Well done. Well done. Anyone else would like to speak before we end the call today? Anybody else wants to speak? I'm just going through all the screens to make sure. Samiksha, yes beta, क्या बोलना है आपको? Yes, yes. क्या बोलना है आपको? What would you like to say, Samiksha? Swara, thank you for that. Samiksha, where are you? Abrar also, please. Okay. Samiksha, beta, if you're talking, you have to unmute your phone because I can't hear you and I can't see you either. Yeah, there you are, Samiksha. Go ahead, bolo.
Hi,
Hi.
I would like to say thank you to Pehchan team and Rakshita di, Nisi di, and Ronak Bhaiya for and all the Pehchan team because you start this session and we can utilize this lockdown in good thing and not waste our time in doing bad things.
Wow, Samiksha, thank you for talking. Look, Ronak Bhaiya rone ko aaya hai because you spoke. He's so proud of you. He's so proud of you. And that is what Pehchan is all about. Young people taking care of young people. Youth for youth. So thank you very much, Samiksha. Thank you very much. Wait, message पे message आ रहा है और दीदी इतना जल्दी नहीं पढ़ सकती है. पूजा, क्या आप कॉल पे हो? पूजा?
Yes.
Pooja, yes. Pooja, Vaishnavi Didi says you want to speak. Will you speak
Yes.
to us about it? Please
Yes.
speak to us.
First of all, I would like to thank the Pehchan group for making our quarantine days going well. Literally, I was getting really bored at home. But from 11th May, like from the session, I enjoyed a lot. We did so many things and just not fun, but from those activities we learned also. So we utilized our time very well. And I was very happy and I got so many new friends, and especially Vaishnavi Didi is very, very, very sweet and friendly. I just love her and thank you to her and all the Pehchan group.
We are so happy. We are so happy to have you talk to us. We are so happy that Vaishnavi did such a good job with you. We are really, really proud of her. I know a lot more of you want to talk, but we have to close for today. That's why I'm telling you, please send the message to the WhatsApp group so we can connect with you. And next time we'll make the group smaller so more of you can talk, okay? We will be doing a training session on how to fill out the online college form. So we will do the Zoom screen share, and on it we will teach you exactly step by step how to fill out the college admission form, okay? So that is coming up soon. That is coming up very soon, and we will announce what other trainings we have. We have a public speaking course coming up for you. We have lots of fun things coming up that will help you in college, okay? That will help you prepare for your vivas. How do you speak in a viva? What is a viva? We have lots of amazing college practice coming up. So get in touch with your Didi or Bhaiya. All right, get in touch with your Didi or Bhaiya or message that number we gave you. I want to close with the affirmation. Did your Didi or Bhaiya teach you the affirmation? Did your Didi or Bhaiya teach you the affirmation? All right.
Yes.
I need three people, please, who would like to say the affirmation. Can you put your name in the chat box if you want to say the affirmation? Can you put your name in the chat box, please, if you want to say the affirmation? Ayush, you want to say it? I can't tell what the yes is for. Nikhil wants to say it. So that's one name. Can I get two more names? Poonam wants to say it. That's another name. One more name, please. One more name, please. Abrar. Perfect. All right. So Nikhil, can you start us off? Can you start us off with the first part of the affirmation, please, Nikhil?
Yes, Didi.
Yes, please start, darling. Unmute your phone, beta. Unmute your phone. Nikhil, unmute your phone.
Yes, Didi.
We are India's.
We are India's promise.
हम भारत का
We are India's promise. हम भारत का विश्वास है. We are.
Unmute your phone, Nikhil. Unmute your phone, darling. Your phone is going on mute when you're talking. Go ahead.
Can I start again?
Yes, you may. Please start again. Go ahead.
We are India's promise. हम भारत का विश्वास है. We are India's dream. हम भारत का सपना है. We are India's hope. हम भारत की आशा है. पहचानो हमें. We are more than us.
One second. That's one part. Wait. Poonam, second part, please, Poonam.
We are more than our skin color, त्वचा के रंग से अधिक, more than our religion, धर्म से ज्यादा, more than where we live, and more than what we do. पहचानो हमें.
Very good, Poonam. Abrar, next part, please.
हम नहीं डरते. We are not afraid. हम किसी को दोषी नहीं मानते. We don't blame anyone. हम खुद के सपने देखते हैं. We dream our own dreams. हम खुद के मौके सर्जन करते हैं. We create our own opportunities. We step boldly forward into the future. We create for ourselves. पहचानो हमें.
Very well done. Very well done. Panya Didi, next part, please. Panya Didi, next part, please.
I'm sorry. Okay. मैं वो हूँ. She is me.
No. Arushi Didi, next part, please.
Sorry.
We believe. हम मानते हैं. आम्ही मानतो. आम्ही मानिये. We believe in दोस्ती, friendship, in unity, ekta, in equal opportunities for all. We stand in the faith that education can create these opportunities. पहचानो हमें.
Well done. Now, Panya Didi, your part. Go ahead.
She is me. मैं वो हूँ. I am him. वो मैं हूँ.
We are one.
I'm sorry. We are one. पहचानो हमें. हमारी पहचान. I'm sorry.
We are one. Relax. Breathe. What are you getting nervous about? We are one. हम एक है. Say it. Say it.
We are one. हम एक है. पहचानो हमें. आपकी पहचान है. हमारी पहचान. सबकी पहचान. Sorry.
No. Kajal Talake, what's the last line?
हमारी पहचान है. आपकी पहचान.
आपकी पहचान.
Yes. हमारी पहचान है. आपकी पहचान. She knows it. She's just nervous because she got put on the spot. So she knows it. She just got nervous. आपने देखा पानिया दीदी के साथ क्या हुआ? That is why we are going to run public speaking classes, ताकि आपको वो ना हो. Okay? कोई आपसे सडनली क्वेश्चन पूछे तो आप फिर भी कर सकते हो. पानिया दीदी को आता है एफर्मेशन, बस वो प्रिपेयर नहीं थी कि फ्रियाज दीदी क्वेश्चन पूछेगी तो वो थोड़ा मतलब ओ हो क्या हो गया, ऐसा हो गया. Alright, everybody, I'm so glad you had such a good week. Chanchal, I love your smile. Rasika, I love your smile. I'm so happy everybody had such a good week. हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए. you will receive a certificate from your didi saying, or bhaiya, saying that you completed Pehchan week with us. आपके पास एक ऑनलाइन आईडी है अभी पहचान का, और अभी एक सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा आपको that you have completed online पहचान with us. और अभी officially का मतलब, I can't go into मतलब, officially you are part of this family. Welcome to Pehchan, everybody. Welcome to the Pehchan Parivar. We are so happy to have you. We are very happy to have you. Have the best day, everybody. We are very proud of you, and we will be in touch with you again soon. Okay? We will be in touch with you again soon. Bye. Have the best day. Bye, everybody. Bye. Y'all can go ahead and leave the meeting so it clicks. Bye, everybody. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, darling. Bye.